one for the Mustang fans. Just in it unique, especially in classics, 1969 Ford Mustang Mach 1 R code. So 428 Cobra Jet. Nicely equipped, also power steering, power brakes, AC. Although the AC will need a little TLC as far as compressor possibly to be in working order. Previous owner did not finish that when some of the restoration work was done to this car. Now, little history on this car. Dallas, DSO. So this was a Texas car. It was originally delivered. Gentleman that had it down there, like so many of these, early on, the engine was blown, so it does not have numbers matching. We're not representing this as a numbers matching engine, but it is a 428R code that was recently overhauled, as well as the transmission. And between those two, they have less than a couple hundred miles on them. Let you take a good look at the bright work, chrome. Car has had a repaint, Indian Fire Red, I believe it is, and black interior. Of course, the flat black paint in the hood. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, check out the underside of this car, engine bay interior, believed to be original miles, and I'm going to get into that in just a second too. But still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Magnum 500 style wheels, and then look up and down the length of this car. Nice and straight, according to the previous owner. When it was painted, was original panels. The hood was replaced along the line, he did state. Of course, the black Mach 1 interior, bucket seats, center console. Take a look from the rear to the front. Now, the miles show 37,237. Again, according to the previous owner, the gentleman that he had got it from, where it came from, our original. Take a look at the rear bumper, chrome, bright work back here. Once again, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click a link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Take a look up and down the driver's side here. Now, as far as the paint, is it perfect? No, but does it show well? Absolutely. There's a few spots, I don't even know if I can kind of get them to show up. A couple just where there's a little speckles. There you go, kind of right there where it just shows up. Just kind of some just little speckles in the clear. This is one that'll definitely turn some heads in your local car shows, roll-ins, cruise-ins, and priced accordingly for condition. Most definitely. Of course, there's the Mach 1 carpeting, the red inlay, and the vinyl, and of course the seat backs. Also is a factory 8-track car, AM, FM, or excuse me, let me double check that. May have been just AM with the 8-track. I did not get the radio to power up though, FYI. Did have the wipers work, blower fan works, all of that works. We're gonna go ahead and fire this up also. Let you hear it run. We'll double check that. It was AM with the 8-track. And then there's your miles, 37,237. If you can make that out, it will be in the still pictures also. Let's go ahead and fire it up. All right, so you can see the tack is working. I noticed the temp gauge did not. It actually moved up at a cold start. Let it warm up a little bit. Like I said, that was a cold start. Check out the top of the dash. Where's the clock? And again, did have the wipers working. Did not have the radio work, blower fan work. Oh, rumble coming out of that 428. Nothing over the top. Good sounding exhaust. Nothing out of the ordinary there. Cool color on this car. Do not see a lot of these. And that would be a Y code if you want to check it out. All right, I'm going to pause this a second. Let's get that hood popped and let's take a look underneath there.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we go with the hood up. So again, power steering, power brakes. When they put the engine back in, the components, everything's put back on it. AC will need some TLC gone through. You don't want it blowing cold. Underside of the hood. Gives you an idea how it runs. And again, check out the underside. You look at some of that. Would not surprise me at all if this is original miles on this car. 1969 Ford Mustang Mach 1, R code 428 Cobra Jet. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description is going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.